Hey everybody, it's Mark. Yesterday I installed one of these Lippert Screen Assist pull bars for the screen door, and there it is. So far we like it. Push down on the bar, it pushes down on the handle to open the door. This side pivots when you push, then you can use it as a pull bar. It's really easy to use. It feels very natural. It's not something you have to get used to or remember to do. The other thing is, if you don't want to use it to open the door, if you just want to use it as a fixed pull bar, you can do that too. So you'll have one end fixed, and they give you a second bracket so you can fix the other side. You know, you might, if you're going to do that, you'd put it up higher, up here or something. I wasn't going to do an installation video about this whole thing, but a couple things came up that you might want to know about. One of them is it comes with these self-tapping screws. See if I can get that to focus there. There we go. And that's so that the self-tapping screws, so you don't have to drill any holes. But the screw comes with this square hole. That's called a Robertson screw head. Problem for me is I don't have a Robertson tool. Now, I could have gone to the hardware store and purchased one, or I could have gone and got different self-tapping screws, but I instead used a small screwdriver. Now this blade is the perfect size to fit diagonally into that hole. The problem is this is a small screwdriver and I couldn't get enough grip and get enough torque to get the screw to bite. So instead what I did is I just pre-drilled a small pilot hole, and then I was able to get those to go in using the small screwdriver. So that was good. Not a big deal, just something to know about. Thing that was kind of a big deal, or a bigger deal I should say, is that when you're installing this side, the side that pivots, this side, is the instructions say to install this on this raised part of the screen door. And you don't want it centered like that. The problem is, at least with this door and frame, is that when you do that, and you go to close the door, you can't close it because this bracket sticks out past the edge of the mounting surface. It hits and you can't close it. So what I did is I installed a small spacer down there. Small spacer and two flat washers. So the spacer I put, and you can get these at Lowe's and Home Depot, probably other places too, but it's this nylon spacer, and the size is 0.140 by 5/16 by 1/8. And that's that one right there. I also put two flat washers just to give it a little more height, and these are just 4mm flat washers, stainless steel. They don't have to be stainless steel, that's just what they had. Again, these are in the specialty drawers. And then the screws I used, also from the specialty drawers, are the 632 by 3/4, and that's the perfect size to go into here. And then the hole that I made with this was just the right size. I can't tell you what size bit this is because there's no printing on it, but you'd want to use the right size for this size screw. And because the aluminum is soft, when you put these in, it'll make its own threads into the soft aluminum. So that works really well. The other option you can do is you get a longer, maybe a 1 1/4 inch black screw, and you can just go all the way through. If you find that the thing is stripped out, or you want something that might be a little more secure in the long run, go ahead and screw all the way through the door, and on the back side you can put a black flat washer, split screw, and a black nut. Again, all from the specialty hardware. But I did it this way. It works. There's the one down there. I also put these black flat washers there, as you can see. And those are, I'll put this on here. That's number 8 I got. Something a little larger. So there you go. You might not have the problem, but if you do, that's a solution. Anyway, that's it. I hope you found this at least marginally useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh wait, one more thing. In case you're waiting for it, here it comes in 3, 2, 1.